divorce in Texas first is usually a strategic advantage in the proceedings of the divorce case. The primary reason for filing first would be that you get to proceed with your case first if the case goes to trial. So the petitioner is always the one that gets to present their evidence first. And as we know, judges are human beings and can sometimes, after hearing 2 or 3 hours of testimony, it can kind of run on, or you don't get the chance to present your evidence first, and then you have to be on a much more defensive type basis instead of an offensive type basis. So it's always nice to get that, be able to file first and get that advantage to go first in Texas. I have a lot of clients who believe that if they file first, then that's going to show that they wanted the divorce. Well, the judges normally don't really put any thought into that. And I'm not saying that's always true, but for the most part, there is no real disadvantage to being the first to file. Additionally, if there's family violence issues or you feel that your spouse might get what we call a kick-out order or some type of emergency relief to get you removed from the marital residence, it's important to file first because without filing first, those types of orders can be granted from the court on an emergency basis with no notice to the other party. If you file first and your spouse decides to try to go get an emergency order, then most local rules require that they at least give your attorney a phone call before going down and trying to get some type of an emergency relief. So yes, there are a lot of advantages to filing first in Texas.